Hi students, just a super short video to explain office hours and my availability to you. So I just want you to know I think it's really important that you connect with me anytime you have a question or a problem. I really don't mind. And my job is really to help make sure that you feel comfortable in the class and feel confident that you know what you're doing. So please reach out to me. I can be available via email, and I check email quite frequently. I am also available via phone. My office phone is listed here in the syllabus. What you may have to do is just make sure that you leave your name and contact number and a short message so I can call you back if you would prefer to communicate in that way. And office hours will be before and after class this semester, and also by appointment. So if you need to reach me at any point, or you want to schedule a special appointment with me, please just email me and let me know what time and day is good for you to talk about issues with regard to the class. Just remember, I'm here for you, and let's make sure that we connect.